Hi and welcome to Lesson 1, Introduction to Split Orders. In this video, we will learn about split orders for WooCommerce. We will go over what a split order is, how it works, and why it can be useful. A split order is a tool that lets you divide an order into multiple orders. You can take certain line items or products and move them into a new order. This lets you process different parts of an order separately. For example, if a customer orders multiple items, but some are out of stock, you can split these items into separate orders. This way, you can ship the available items right away and deal with out-of-stock items later. The Split Order plugin adds a Split Order button in your orders page. You just have to click the button, choose the items you want to split, and it will create a new order for those items. Now, let's look at the core functionalities. First, it allows you to split any order with 2 or more products into separate orders. Second, it copies all essential information like customer details and order notes to new orders. You can manage each order separately. You can update the order status, add tracking info, and process each order on its own. The new order is fully independent. You can treat it like any other order, making adjustments as needed without affecting the original order. Finally, let's cover some benefits and use cases. Split orders can be helpful for businesses that need flexibility. For example, separate shipment. Split orders make it easy to ship items separately if they come from different locations or warehouses. If part of an order is back-ordered, you can split it and fulfill the rest without delay. Sometimes specific items may need special handling. Split order lets you create a separate workflow for these items. That's a quick overview of split orders. It's a simple tool that can improve your order management and customer satisfaction. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.